Hi everyone and welcome to Picked in May. This is such a beautiful month in the floral calendar, one of my absolute favourites. The garden is full of life. We've still got tulips, I've still got some narcissi left, and then we've got acroledias coming up, alliums and early roses bursting into bloom as well. There's so much to gather and play with this month that I don't even quite know where to start, and I'm hoping that with this glorious sunshine you're looking forward to being inspired and enjoy the garden this month with me. So this month we are diving into one of my favorites, which is the flower meadow basket. That's going to be our masterclass on Thursday the 9th of May at 7 p.m. on Zoom, and I'm going to show you how to create a very loose wild arrangement that really looks like it's just been scooped from the garden. It's light and it's airy, and it's just going to showcase these beautiful seasonal stems in the basket. And of course we're going to be working with our sustainable mechanics. If you're short on time, then don't worry, because we're going to create a meadow jar instead, so using exactly the same techniques but allowing you really just to create something similar for 10 minutes to take it in your home, to get your hands on flowers and to really enjoy the flowers and the garden this month. I know that everybody's short on time, but it's really good for our souls to just take ourselves off out and do something creative. Our technical video is on wrapping and presenting poses, so whether that's for the markets or whether that's simply for gifting some flowers to friends, I'm going to take you through how to make those bunches, how to make them look natural, and how to not overfill with lots and lots of flowers from your garden. We're also going to head to the plot where we're going to be looking at how to cut those flowers in order to get the best vase life out of them. So I'm going to give you some tips on when to harvest, how to prepare your flowers, and how to ensure that they're going to last as long as possible indoors for you. And then lastly, we've also got at the end of the May our Ask Your Florist, our Q&A, and we're going to focus on one of my other loves, which is soil and the nutrients. And we're going to look at really how you're going to feed the flowers in your garden over the coming months, where everything starts to drain away and the flowers can start to look a bit past their best very quickly, especially with this heat, unless we really take care of them. So I'm going to talk to you all about the nutrients in your soil, and also how you're going to get those different feeds that you can use both in the garden and of course also when you prepare your flowers as well. So I'm always here to guide you. I'm always around, available in the group. Don't forget to share your creations, whether it's just a jar of flowers, whether it's some beautiful cow parsley that I'll show you here in just 1 minute, or whether you're going to wrap some poses and gift them, then share them in the group, because I can't wait to see them, especially with this flower filled May that we've got here. I'll leave you with the cow parsley.